one, so you will apply the EQ technique. What will you do in this situation? And you will apply the EQ technique. So first is to stay away from the knife. Stay away from the knife. So you can skip by doing this. Kung saan ako pag-apply ng EQ? This one. First is you have to execute some motion para malikay ka sa knife. Isa ko kanina sa paglikay. So, this one. Pero imo na siyang duganon. Kay masaman man imong neck. May this. Diba? How? Just doing this. Just doing this. Then, you. Again.